Hello, my name is Randy Mansfield with Continental Tool Group. I would like to introduce to you the Universal Tool UT8710-25, a solid performing 1/4-inch die grinder for daily MRO use, powered by a 1/2 horsepower motor with stall resistance. It runs at 25,000 RPM for fast and precise grinding. It's designed with a composite grip housing for operator comfort, heavy-duty ball bearing construction, and internal silencing that reduces noise to 80 decibels. At only 0.9 pounds and 6.3 inches long, this grinder is lightweight and operator friendly. The UT8710 delivers more horsepower than most competitors at this price point, making it a true MRO workhorse.